10th Standard Science Unit 4 Refresher Course Unit 14 Plant Physiology. Choose the correct answer. First question. The tropic movement that helps the climbing vines to find a suitable support is thigmotropism. Second question. The chemical reaction occurs during the photosynthesis is carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized. Third question. The bending of root of plant in response to water is called a hydrotropism. Maybe the plant to move towards the water, which is hydro means water. So hydrotropism. Fourth question. A growing seedling is kept in the dark room. A burning candle is placed near it for a few days. The tip part of a seedling bends towards the burning candle. This is an example. ஒரு செடியை வைக்கிறோம், ஒரு விதையை வைக்கிறோம், விதை வளர்ந்து வருது, அதுக்கு பக்கத்தில் ஒரு கேண்டில் வைக்கிறோம். ஸோ வளர்கிற அந்த ஸ்டெம்மு எதை நோக்கி வளருதுன்னா டுவர்ட்ஸ் த கேண்டிலோட ஃப்ளேமை நோக்கி வளருது. அப்போ டுவர்ட்ஸ் த லைட்டு. ஸோ அதுக்கு என்ன ப்ராசஸ் அப்படின்னாக்கா ஃபோட்டோட்ரோபிசம். ஃபிஃப்த் கொஸ்டின். The non-directional movement of a plant pot in response to temperature is called thermonasty. Thermo means heat. Sixth question. Chlorophyll in a leaf is required for photosynthesis. Seventh question. Transpiration takes place through dash stomata. ஸோ ஸ்டொமேட்டாங்கிறது இலைத்துளைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ ஸ்டொமேட்டா மூலமாக தான் நீராவி போக்கு நடக்குது. டிரான்ஸ்பிரேஷன் இஸ் அக்கர். ஓகே. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. The shoot systems grows upward in response to sunlight. Dash is positively hydrotropic as well as positively geotropic. Root. The green pigment present in the plant is chlorophyll. Third question. The solar tracking of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to photonasty. Fourth question. The response of a plant pot towards the gravity. It is called geotropism. Fifth question. The plants takes in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis but need dash for their living, oxygen for their living. Third Roman letter, answer very briefly. First question. What is nastic movement? Nastic movement or non-directional response of a plant or part of a plant to stimulus. Second question. Name the plant pot which bends in direction of gravity but away from the sunlight. Root. So root வந்து towards the gravityயும் sunlightக்கு எதிராகவும் வளருது. And then which bends towards the light but away from the force of gravity. Stem. And then third question. Differentiate phototropism from photonasty. So Phototropism means movement of a plant pot towards light. Example, shoot of a plant. Movement of a plant pot towards the light. Here, photonasty means movement of a part of a plant in response to light. So, which is called a photonasty. So, the example, Ipomia alba. So, which is the moonflower. Open in the night time, closes during the day. Fourth question. Photosynthesis converts energy X into energy Y. What are X and Y? Here X is the light energy, Y is the chemical energy. Option B. Green plants are autotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Why? Because with the help of the photosynthesis, the plants or prepare their own food. And then sixth question. Name the cell that surrounds the stoma, which is God's cells. God's cells. 10th Standard Science Refresher Course Unit 12 Applied Chemistry. Choose the best answer. Name the element present in hydrocarbon. Hydro and carbon, which is option C is the correct answer. Carbon and hydrogen. Second question. What is the molecular formula for methane? CH4. Option A is the correct answer. Third question. What is the percentage of carbon in lignite? Lignite is one of the variety of the coal. அதாவது நிலக்கரியில் ஒரு வகை lignite. 25 to 35%. Fourth question. Which coal gives highest thermal energy? Which means heat energy? Anthracite. Fifth question. Carbon double bond carbon. So it is alkene group. Option C is the correct answer. Sixth question, which is a renewable source of energy? Option A is the correct answer, biogas. Seventh one, radiochemistry deals with the isotopes. Same atomic number but a different mass number of elements. This is isotopic. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Mixture of gases present in LPG or propane and butane. In LPG gas, என்னென்ன gases இருக்குன்னா propane butane கலந்தது தான். Okay, liquefied pressurized gas. Second question, expansion of CNG, compressed natural gas. C for compressed, N for natural, G for gas, compressed natural gas. And then third question, biogas is the mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. The maximum portion is present in methane and minimum portion present in a carbon dioxide. Fourth question, example of fossil fuel is petrol. Fifth question, percentage of carbon in coke is 98%. Sixth question, the country that has the world's largest coal stockage is America. Seventh question, the fossil fuel that is known as black diamond is coal. Eighth question, dash is an electrochemical cell which converts electrical energy into chemical change. Electrolytic cell. Third Roman letter, say true or false. The producer gas is used in museums to protect the mountains. False. Not producer gas, that is natural gas. That is only the correct answer. Second question, water gas is a gaseous mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The statement is true. Coal gas is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. True. Fourth question, an ideal fuel should have high calorific value. Yes, correct. True. And then fourth Roman letter, find odd one out. Methane, ethane, propane. This is benzene. Methane, ethane, propane. These three are hydrocarbons. So benzene is the exception. Second one, lignite, bituminous, anthracite and erythrocytes. ஸோ லிக்னைட் பிட்டுமினஸ் ஆந்த்ரசைட்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் மூணுமே நிலக்கரியோட வகைகள். எரித்ரோசைட்டுங்கிறது ஆர்பிசி இரத்த சிவப்பணம். தேர்டு கொஷின், பெட்ரோல், கோக், கோல் தார், கோல் கேஸ் இது எல்லாமே நிலக்கரியிலேருந்து எடுக்கிறது. பெட்ரோல் மட்டும் எக்ஸப்ஷன், அதனால் திஸ் இஸ் ஆட் ஒன் அவுட். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங். பேட்ரிஸ் தட் ஆர் யூஸ்ட் இன் மொபைல் ஃபோன் கேன் பி ரீசார்ஜ். லைக்வைஸ், can you recharge the batteries used in watches? Give reason. ஸோ வாட்சோட பேட்டரியை நம்ம ரீசார்ஜ் பண்ண முடியுமா? நம்ம மொபைல் பேட்டரியை ரீசார்ஜ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ வாட்சோட பேட்டரியை நம்ம ரீசார்ஜ் பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்னு ரீசன் கேட்குறாங்க. Watch batteries cannot be recharged because they are primary cells. Primary cells are irreversible in process, so they cannot be chargeable. Phone batteries, mobile batteries are chargeable because they are reversible in their process. Phone batteries, mobile batteries are chargeable because they are reversible in their process. Watch batteries cannot be recharged because they are primary cells. Primary cells are irreversible in process, so